How to fix Realme C53 or C55 cannot receive calls. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reinsert your SIM card, and after reinsert your SIM card, then restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.